Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna demonstrate how to remove FRP from itel CT1001. Here you can see the result that I have removed already, the FRP which is called Google Lock. So as usually we're gonna try with UnlockTool, because this one every technician or GSM technician have this tool. So you will search on the internet for the model itel CT100. So in GSM arena you will see the CPU type is Spectrum. So we're gonna try the Spectrum generic, which is SPRD generic. Here I have seen that it was T720 something, so we're gonna try with T7001. I press the erase FRP. Now it's waiting for device. Then we have to connect it by pressing and holding the volume up and down. So you must turn off the device, then hold both keys, then insert it until you see here the Spectrum port. So wait for a while. Let me connect it. It's getting a little bit difficult. It's not booting. Make it off again here. As you can see, the sending payload is failed. I think it didn't boot, because even the device is not boot into the Spectrum. Sometimes it shows the port. So let's try another one. We have selected T7607_64V1. Let's try it. Let's see it's gonna boot or not. So waiting for device. It booted easily. It said sending FDL OK. It means the device is booted successfully, but it's trying to match the loader with the CPU version. So we will wait here for a little bit. Sometimes it takes time, or sometimes if it doesn't take, it means it's gonna fail. Wait a little bit. Let's see what's happening. As you can see, the COM port is right. They make it already, but I think it's not gonna take, so I make it stopped. We're gonna try with another version. I'm gonna connect it again. Wait for the menu to come, that waiting for device, and gonna connect it again by pressing and holding volume up and down. Still failed. So we have moved to a new tools, which is maybe you know or you don't know, which is best for Chinese devices like those things. It's called Infinity CM2. Here you're gonna search for itel. I got it. Then I'm gonna search for the same model if they have. It's CT100. So I typing CT100. Yeah, I get it. Now I will press get DA, because sometimes they don't have, and the other side you have to unmark all of them, otherwise it will take time. So pressed it. It's getting the loader. Wait for 3 or 2 seconds. It get the loader here. Yeah, I got it. So here it's showing selected city boot FF Firefly. So it's already selected. We're gonna press connect. Then we'll connect the device same way by pressing and holding volume up and down. So it's showing the port. It's taking the loader. It's taking it. Getting the flash type. It's showing flash chip is not initialized or not supported. It means it's not taking the same file which they have in the loader. So here they said select boot FTL factory mode. So we selected factory mode. Then we're gonna press again for connecting the device. We press connect. We will connect the device again same way. Let's wait for a while. We holding the both button and put the USB cable. It's taking time. I'm connecting it again. Yeah, I got it. Spectrum D3. It's taking the boot menu. Okay, boot 1 is ready, boot 2 is going, plus and minus, everything is going well. Partition already found. So I didn't back up, I didn't identify it, so it's connected already. So I don't need the firmware information, I don't need anything, I just need to remove it. Here you can see I got into service and there is an option for save user data and complete user data. I press on save user data and FRP, because sometimes if you clean the user data, the device may get into logo, that it will hang on logo, which is another problem. So I keep it safe because I already flashed the phone. I just need to remove the FRP. So yeah, it's taking it. It found the FRP partition. Now it's searching for it. It's loading the file inside of it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it says FRP is gone, but if the FRP is still active, just make sure you wipe the device again, then inshallah it's gonna be removed from the phone. So let's off it and I'm gonna check in my phone. Yeah, it's done. As you can see in the beginning, it's done. See you guys in the next video, or any model if you want to see, just comment below. We're gonna try for you to keep it on the